Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 for free using the official Microsoft method. This guide uses official Microsoft tools only, with no cracks, no activators, and no third-party software. Let's get started. First, create a new folder on your desktop. Right-click on an empty area, select New, then Folder, and name it Office 2026. Now open your web browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Open the official Microsoft website. On the page, choose the correct Office architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your system. After that, choose the Office version you want. Now, select the Office apps you need. You can keep apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or remove any apps you don't want to install. Scroll down and choose your preferred language. Once you've finished customizing everything, click Export to download the XML configuration file. Open your Downloads folder and move the XML file into the Office 2026 folder you created earlier. Next, search for Office Deployment Tool in your browser and open the official Microsoft download page. Download the Office Deployment Tool. After it's downloaded, run it and extract all the files into the Office 2026 folder. Once the extraction is complete, move the Office 2026 folder to your C drive. Open the folder, click the address bar in File Explorer, and copy the folder path. Now search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type CD, press the spacebar, paste the folder path, and press Enter. Now type Setup configuration.xml. Then press Enter. The installation will begin. Wait for it to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, open Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to make sure everything installed successfully. If the applications open without any problems, Microsoft Office has been installed successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.